GB City is the debut studio album by Bass Drum of Death. It was released on Fat Possum Records on April 12, 2011. The video for Get Found was released in 2011. A single for School Roaches, featuring the title song, Get Found, You're Haunting Me, and Spare Room, was released on Baby Don't Records in 2010. Track listing. Cover of the Chiffons pop doo-wop song He's So Fine. http Consequence of Sound. Net 2011-04. Album review Bass Drum of Death GB City. http www.allmusic.com. Album GB City MW00021172228. http www.avclub.com. Articles. Bass Drum of Death GB City. 54,764.